In the realm of portable inverter generators, two names frequently stand out: Honda and Yamaha. Both manufacturers have carved a niche in providing reliable, efficient, and user-friendly generators. Today, we're putting two of their popular models under the microscope: the Honda EU2200i and the Yamaha EF2200iS. This comprehensive review aims to help potential buyers make an informed decision by comparing these two powerhouse devices. Please check the description of the purchase link if you are interested in both. First up is the Honda EU2200i, a renowned model in the portable generator market. Honda has long been synonymous with reliability and efficiency, and the EU2200i is no exception. Priced at $1,099, it offers financing options, making it accessible for various budget ranges. The Honda EU2200i is a compact yet robust generator, weighing just 46.5 pounds, making it highly portable. Its lightweight nature doesn't compromise its power, though. It boasts a wattage of 2200 watts, ideal for home use, camping, job sites, and more. This versatility is one of its key selling points. One of the standout features of the Honda EU2200i is its noise level. Operating between 48 to 57 dBA, it is quieter than a normal conversation, which is a significant advantage for those who value peace and quiet in their surroundings. This low noise level is achieved without sacrificing power, thanks to its efficient design and high-quality components. Fuel efficiency is another strong suit of the Honda EU2200i. The eco-throttle system allows it to run for 4.0 to 9.6 hours on a single tank, depending on the load. This feature ensures that users get the most out of their fuel, making it economical in the long run. In terms of power quality, the Honda EU2200i utilizes inverter technology to provide stable, clean power, akin to what you get from your home outlets. This clean power is crucial for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones, ensuring they are not damaged by power surges or fluctuations. Customer feedback for the Honda EU2200i is overwhelmingly positive. With an overall rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 1,901 ratings, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. Specific ratings highlight its portability, 5.0, ease of use, 5.0, maneuverability, 4.9, and noise level, 4.7. These ratings underline its reputation as a reliable and user-friendly generator. On the downside, the Honda EU2200i is non-returnable due to hazardous materials regulations. This policy might be a concern for some buyers, but it is a standard practice for many portable generators. Additionally, while the initial purchase price might seem steep, the long-term benefits and reliability can offset this cost. Protection plans for the Honda EU2200i are available, with options for 3 years, $119.99, or 4 years, $149.99. These plans can provide peace of mind for those worried about potential issues down the line. Furthermore, various accessories like the GenTent generator running covers can be purchased to enhance its functionality and longevity. Now, let's shift our focus to the Yamaha EF2200iS, another formidable contender in the portable generator market. Yamaha is a brand known for its innovation and quality, and the EF2200iS lives up to this reputation. Priced at $1,275, it also offers financing options, making it a viable option for many consumers. The Yamaha EF2200iS is slightly heavier than the Honda, weighing in at 55.2 pounds. Despite the extra weight, it remains portable and easy to maneuver, which is essential for a generator intended for camping and other mobile uses. This generator also boasts a wattage of 2200 watts, providing ample power for various applications. The powerful Yamaha 79cc engine ensures high power output, making it suitable for demanding tasks. A key feature of the Yamaha EF2200iS is its quiet operation, achieved through Yamaha's quiet technology and a sophisticated muffler. While it is designed to be super quiet, specific noise level figures are not readily available, making a direct comparison with the Honda EU2200i difficult. However, user reviews suggest it operates at a comparable noise level. The Yamaha EF2200iS includes a standard RV outlet, eliminating the need for additional adapters for RV users. This feature is a significant advantage for those who frequently travel in RVs, offering convenience and ease of use. Additionally, the generator has a DC outlet, providing flexibility to charge and use various devices. One of the standout features of the Yamaha EF2200iS is its illuminated multi-function LED display. This display allows users to see the generator's status at a glance, day or night, adding a layer of convenience and ease of monitoring. The smart dial knob also simplifies the startup process, making it accessible even for those not well versed in generator operation. Customer ratings for the Yamaha EF2200iS are generally positive, though slightly lower than the Honda EU2200i. With an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from 112 ratings, it scores well in portability, 4.1, maneuverability, 4.0, value for money, 4.0, and noise level, 3.8. These ratings indicate that while it is well regarded, there might be areas where it falls short compared to the Honda model. Similar to the Honda, the Yamaha EF2200iS is non-returnable due to hazardous materials regulations. This policy is standard and should not be a deterrent for most buyers. Protection plans are also available for this model, with options for 3 years, $129.99, or 4 years, $169.99, providing additional security for the investment. In conclusion, both the Honda EU2200i and Yamaha EF2200iS are exceptional portable inverter generators, each with its strengths. The Honda EU2200i stands out for its quiet operation, fuel efficiency, and high customer satisfaction. Its lightweight design and expandable power options make it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications. On the other hand, the Yamaha EF2200iS offers unique features like the illuminated LED display, standard RV outlet, and smart dial knob, which might appeal to users looking for convenience and advanced functionality. Its powerful engine and quiet operation also make it a strong contender. Ultimately, the choice between these two generators will depend on individual preferences and specific needs. Whether prioritizing noise levels, fuel efficiency, or additional features, both the Honda EU2200i and Yamaha EF2200iS provide reliable and efficient power solutions. By understanding the distinct features and benefits of each model, potential buyers can make an informed decision that best suits their requirements.